Hello, good morning all. How are you? We have completed 2 chapters. First we have talked about computer system, then types of hardware. Now in this video we will see types of software, that is chapter number 3. So enjoy the video and keep reading. Dear students, you must be impressed with the speed and versatility of computers, right? Its processing speed, proficiency, all this has become possible because of the incredible software and program that enables computer to perform almost any type of task. So as you all know, computer system consists of hardware and software for its proper functioning. Now, hardware represents the physical and tangible components of the computer system like CPU, hard disk, monitor, keyboard, etc. So, here we are talking about what is software. Software represents the set of programs that govern the operations of a computer system and make the hardware run. Now, this software can be classified broadly into 2 categories: system software, application software. The system software is further divided into operating system, language processor, device drivers, and utilities. Application software is divided broadly into 2 categories, that is general purpose software and special task purpose software. Now, system software refers to the programs that control internal computer operations and make best use of the hardware. So here we can understand the operations like reading from input devices, transmitting information to the output device, checking system components, converting data or instructions to computer understandable form. All this inside computer task is to be done by system software. Now, our first system software is operating system. As you all know, our hardware is nothing but a designed machinery. So a machine ultimately do the work according to the order of user. So here we will understand the concept with taking one example. Like suppose in a company, boss order his secretary to do following task, like to fix up an appointment, to frame a letter, to reserve a seat in a seminar, to prepare the list of appointments tomorrow. So now secretary follows the boss order, and now it is up to the secretary that how to call, how to frame a letter, how to reserve a seat. So dear students, we can consider here our operating system is just like our secretary, and as the boss gives the orders to his secretary, the secretary does all the work for his boss, right? So here we are the boss and operating system is the secretary to decide how to do, what to do and when to do. So here we can say that an operating system is a program which acts as an interface between a user and the hardware, I mean all computer resources. And the primary goal of an operating system is to make the computer system convenient to use, and the secondary goal is to use computer hardware in an efficient manner. So it is having a centralized controls on other peripheral devices. Next video we will see other system softwares and application software.